Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Do check out my other videos too. If you don't mind, please do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner. And I have 100 over videos from crochet to amigurumi, clothes to toys, hats to bags and lots more. So do check it out. And today I'm going to do this motif and I'm going to join a few more of the same motif to make a table runner. And for this project I'm going to use lace yarn. You can choose any color lace yarn you want, and I'm going to use a 2mm hook. So let's start. Okay, we're going to start by making chain 6. You make a knot. This is just my habit of making a knot. Once you have a knot, you chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After you chain 6, you go to the first one and do a slip stitch. Okay, so you will have something like this. Then after this, the next row, I'm going to do single crochet into the center, into this hole here, the center hole here. You put your hook inside here and do a single crochet. Okay, this is a single crochet. Then after this single crochet, you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 stitches, 5 here. You go back to the hole here, go back to the center and do a single crochet. Means you pull up a yarn, then you put through 2, and again you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the center. While you're doing this, you just bring this along, hide this tail around when you crochet. So you pull up a yarn and do single crochet. So you're gonna do 8 of it. So 5, chain 5, go into the center here and do single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the center and do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the center and single crochet. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7, so now this is the 8. So this 8, I'm going to go to the first stitch here and slip stitch the first stitch here, the first single crochet here. You do a slip stitch. So after this slip stitch, you chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You chain 7 and you go to the next loop here. You know this loop? Just go to the center here and do a single crochet. So this chain 7, add a marker just to remind ourselves that this is the first starting point. So next round we're going to do chain 5. It's no longer chain 7. Chain 7 is only once, so the rest are chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go to this. You see this arch shape here, go to the center, go to the hole here, go to this hole here, and do a single crochet, and you do that all around. So just chain 5, you see this, you go to the hole here, the space here, and do a single crochet, and you do that all around until you come back here. I've reached the starting point here, so now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to chain 5, and this chain 7 space here, chain 7 space, you go to this hole here, you do 1 single crochet, and you do 1 more single crochet. So you do 2 single crochet and then 1 more single crochet on this join here, this single crochet. So you're gonna have 2 on the space area and 1 on this single crochet, the previous single crochet. So I will call this 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna chain 5, this space here, in the hole here, you do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then you go to the join here, this single crochet on top of this single crochet, do 1 single crochet. So you're going to continue until the end. After this, you will not need to look at this because by the time you reach here, automatically your stitch count here increase. Okay, so now you just continue until here. I have reached the starting point here, so same thing, I just do chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and then you see this loop here, the chain space here, you just go in the chain space and do 2 single crochet. After the 2 single crochet into the chain space, you will find that you have 2 stitch here. The next 2 stitch. Next 2 stitch we only do, sorry, you have 3 stitch. You will have 3 stitches. You only do 2 single crochet on top of the previous 2 single crochet. So you have single crochet into the space, and then 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and you will have 1 left, 1 balance. So after this, I'm going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go to this space here, this space, do 2 single crochet. So you will see 3 stitches here, you just do 2 single crochet and leave the last one. So the first row, just now, the previous row, I have 1 plus 2. So this row I will call it 2 plus 2, which means I will have 2 here on top of the single crochet and 2 in the space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the space, and do 2 single crochet, and on top of this single crochet, the 3 single crochet here, do 2 single crochet and leave the last one out. Okay, and you repeat, and then by the time you come back here, if you didn't see this, you automatically jump to the other side. You will know because the number of stitches is different. So you just continue, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, now I've reached this marker here. Again, I'm going to do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go to this space here, chain 5 space. Inside the space, you do 2 single crochet. So after you do 2 single crochet, you will find you have 4 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 stitches, I'm only going to do 3. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3. Oops, sorry. Always leave the last one out. Leave the last one out. So here I will have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. I call this 3 plus 2. So let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do 2 single crochet into the space. Chain 5 space area here. And when you reach here, you should have 4 stitches. Here, 4 stitches. I'm going to do only 3. 1, 2, 3, and you have 1 left. Always leave the last one out. So I call it 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Now it's 3 plus 2, and you're supposed to do until 11 plus 2. So if you understand what I'm trying to say, you do the same thing up until 11 plus 2. If you do not get it, if you're a beginner, it's okay. I will show you every row. So continue this until you come back here. Okay, the next row, the same, chain 5. You go to this space here, you do 2 single crochet into the chain 5 space, and here you notice you will have 5 stitches. From here until here, you will have 5 stitches. So I'm going to do single crochet only on the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave the last one out. So this is what I call 4 plus 2. So I'll come back here and I'll show you the next row. Okay, now on the next row, same thing. We're gonna chain 5, and you go into the space here and do 2 single crochet. So after the 2 single crochet, we're gonna do single crochet in the next 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we only take 5. We only do single crochet in the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the last one. There's one last one here, we just skip the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna repeat. So I'll come back to you once I'm here. Now the next row, start with chain 5, then you go to this space here, you do 2 single crochet, and this stretch here we're gonna do 6 single crochet into the next. We have 7 here, So now I'm just going to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and leave the last one, and you continue, chain 5, and you repeat. So I'll see you once I'm here. Okay, now next row we're gonna start by doing a chain 5, 2, 4, chain 5, and in this space here we do 2 single crochet, and after this 2 single crochet you will find that you have 8 stitches here. You have 8 stitches here, so I'm going to do 7 single crochet, or single crochet in the next 7. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If after 7 you do not have one more left, means that your previous row you did a mistake. And you continue, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, chain 5. I've reached this part here, so chain 5, 2 single crochet into this chain space, 1, 2. So here I have 9 stitches, so I'm going to do single crochet in the next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you chain 5 again, and you repeat, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. I've reached this starting point again. Same thing, chain 5. So after this chain 5, make 2 single crochet into this space, 1, 2, and then you see here you will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now I'll do 9 single crochet in the next 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and chain 5, and you repeat, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, now the next row, you chain 5 and go to the space here, you do 2 single crochet. Now here you will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So now 11, I'm going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you will still have one balance here, and you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what I call 10 plus 2. So this is the second last row. The last row will be 11 plus 2. We are supposed to do up to 11 plus 2, and then I'm going to change the pattern. It's no longer this way. So you repeat this. I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, chain 5 and go to the space here, do 2 single crochet, and here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 12, so here I'm going to do 11. If you do not have 11, or at times that you think that you count wrongly, most likely is because you didn't see the first one. You took this one as the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is the part when I say 11 plus 2. And after this, you're going to chain 5 again and repeat. And you repeat the whole thing. I'll come back to you once I'm here. This few rows we are doing increase. It's called an increase because this part increased from 1 dot here now become 11. So if you want to make this bigger, I'm stopping at 11. If you want to make it bigger, you can. You continue with 12 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 14 plus 2. I'm going to make until here, and I'm going to start to reduce. So I'll come back to you once I am here. Okay, now from now on we're going to change the pattern. It's no longer increase because here we started with one of these, and slowly I increase to this. Right, from here increase to this. So this part here is going to shrink. So now here you're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You chain 6. You go to this space here and do a single crochet, and you chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. So here, from here until here, we have 13 stitches. I'm gonna skip the front one and go to the second one. Start from the second one. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we still have one more stitch left. So we're gonna skip the front and the back. So the front and the back we skip. We have 13, so now we have 11. So again we're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into the space here, do a single crochet and chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember to skip the first one, go to the second one and start to do single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and you should have one more stitch left. And you're going to repeat until you come back here. So here You can move the or add another marker here just to remind yourself this is the starting point. This is the one that we chain 7, so it goes up until here. So this is the starting point, the point where we start a new pattern. So I'll come back to you. You just repeat the same thing. I'll come back to you once I reach here. Okay, now the next row, the pattern is slightly different. Now we're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You chain 4. Now we do a double crochet. You yarn over, and do a double crochet into this space. Double crochet. Then you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the next chain space here. And you chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part here, always start with the second stitch and leave the last one. So we're just gonna do the middle part here. So skip this and go to the next one. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here this part is shrinking. Previous row we have 11, now we have 9. So same thing, we're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet into this space here. Chain 4 again. Double crochet into the space, the next space here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start from the second one. Okay, it will look like this, and I'll come back to you once I reach here. Okay, now the next row, it is still chain 4. You double crochet into this space here, and again chain 4. Double crochet into the space area. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet again. One, 2, 3, 4. And this stretch here, you start from the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before this, the row before this we have 9, so now we have 7. So you're gonna shrink until you have 1. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and you double crochet here. So you're gonna repeat, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, now the next row, Same thing, always start with chain 4, double crochet into this space here. You do a double crochet, another chain 4, double crochet into the next chain space, 1 2 3 4, double crochet in the next chain space, 1 2 3 4, double crochet in the next chain space, 1 2 3 4, and you see here it's getting more narrow. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have 7 here. I'm gonna skip the first one and leave the last one, so which means I only have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you repeat. This is how it look like. You're gonna repeat the same thing, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, the next row, chain 4, double crochet, go into the chain space here, do a double crochet, 1 2 3 4, chain 4, go to the next space here and do a double crochet, and to the next, and the next. It's all double crochet, yeah. 1 2 3 4, and double crochet here, 1 2 3 4. Here you notice you should have 5 stitches. I'm gonna skip this and leave this, so which means I only have 3. 1 2 3, and again repeat 1 2 3 4, and double crochet into all this space here. So you have 1 2 3 4 5. So double crochet here, 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 here. So this part you're gonna look like this. So you repeat, and I'll come back to you once I'm here. Okay, this is the very last part. So once you see you have 3 stitches left here, this will be the last part. This space here, you do 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 4, and then you jump to the next space here. You do 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. After the second single crochet, you chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and you single crochet into the same space twice, 2 single crochet. So you get something like this. So 2 single crochet, and then you have this chain 4, and then there's 2 single crochet here. So you jump to the next space area, you do 2 single crochet, you chain 4, and you do single crochet into the same space area and another single crochet. Then you jump on to the next one and do 2 single crochet, chain 4, and do single crochet twice. Then we jump to the next one. 1, 2 single crochet, and you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go back into the space and do 2 single crochet. And this last chain here, we're gonna do 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see there's 3 stitches left here. We're gonna go to the middle one and do 1 single crochet. And we're gonna go to the next space and repeat what we did before. So we're gonna do 4 single crochet here. So this is 4. We jump to the middle part here, and this is 4. And next one, we're gonna do 2 single crochet, chain 4, and 2 single crochet into the same space area. So you're gonna get something like this. And the finished product will look like this. So every corner you will see this. So if you want this to, you just want it one like this, and that's it, you cut your yarn. Once you have gone one round of this, you just cut your yarn. But now I want to make it into a table runner. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna connect it to here. Okay, I've come to the last part here. So how I join this to another motif is when you do the loop here, this thing here, you chain 4. So after you chain 4, you go to the part, the other motif that you want to connect to. Let's say here, you put your hook inside the hole here, pull up the yarn, and I continue to crochet. And just continue to crochet. So depending whether you want to join in 2 places or just 1. So if it's just 1, then you just continue without joining it to the next motif. If let's say I want to join 1 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I go to the next one, the hole here. I put my hook in the hole here, the space there. Pull up the loop, and I just continue. So this single crochet, and then you chain 4. And you single crochet into the same space, and same thing here. Oh, sorry, I forgot, I missed one. So when you reach here, same thing, you go to this the middle part. Here you have 3 stitches. Go to the middle and make 1 single crochet, and jump to the next space area and do 4 single crochet. And the next one, you do 2 single crochet, you chain 4, and 2 single crochet into the same space area, and do the same to the next. next. And the last one, just 4 single crochet into that space area. And this is the last, there's 3 stitch here. Go to the middle one, do a single crochet, and this is the end of it. So I will slip stitch to this part here, the starting part here. This is the starting where I start my single crochet onto the space here. Go to that stitch, slip stitch, chain 1, and you pull tight. So this is how it looks like, the table runner. I'll just show you up close how I connect it. There's no fixed rule to this. I don't have a fixed rule like how many gap between. I just, so long it go in 2 straight lines. So I'll just show you how it look like. You just have some ideas. Here is how I connect. So there's a slightly bigger hole here, and here, and here, and here. In case you want to see how I join, where I join, look like this. If you have other ways of joining it, by all means do so. This is just my way of joining it. So I will have one longer and one shorter. They are not of the same length because it's a circular. So since it's a table runner, it's kind of cute. One is longer than the other one. So it looks like there's firework here and firework here and here and here. I think this is just lovely for a table runner. And here, this one would be slightly longer than the other side because this one started. So I would have 5 of this, depending on how long your table is and how long you want your runner to be. Whether you want to run it all over the table, I mean, until the point that it will drop from the table, you know, drop down. There's a drop there. Mine is just right in the middle of the table. So I did 5. So up to you how many you want to do. And this is how the end product look like. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next post. Hope you have fun making one of these.